Hello YouTube! Wanna catch and cook some crabs? Well, then this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned!
So we got a first one over here.
So the crabs are now ready. I just need to boil the water. This is fresh water, by the way, because the last time I was preparing them with a salt water, they were just too salty for me, so now I'm gonna try with the fresh water. I'm not gonna clean them because they're small and most of their meat is in their claws. I'm just gonna give the body part to the cats once it's cooked, and that's basically it. So the water is now boiling, so I'm just gonna throw the crabs in. Try not to burn yourself doing so. Okay, this cooking pot is the perfect size for those 4 crabs. You just need to make sure they're all underwater and cooking evenly. So I'm gonna be cooking them for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, you can drink a wine, whiskey, whatever you like. I'm just gonna smoke this cigar because it goes really well with this. I also forgot to mention, you need to check your local law about those crabs. Somewhere they're forbidden. These are totally legal, so just make sure you're okay with the law. The aroma is pretty pleasing. It's really similar to a lobster. Well, I'm not sure if the taste is gonna be similar now that I'm cooking them in just the fresh water. The whole neighborhood is now probably smelling them and becoming hungry, so it's now been about 5 minutes since I threw them in and I cannot wait to try them. You know they're gonna be cooked soon when they change the color to this like orange reddish. About 3 minutes left and they're gonna be perfect. So I don't have a seafood kit, so regular pliers with some aluminum foil so the crabs don't leave a smell are gonna have to do for tonight. I have some carbs here, some lemon. Now to crack this, I'm just gonna put it like this. Put this over. This is all meat. And this is just next level, guys. It's like a lobster. So in case you were wondering what's inside of the body, you can see it's mostly guts and shit, so that's going to the cats. So that's all for today's catch and cook video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be releasing more amazing stuff soon.